Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Sajid Hussain. My subject is English. This is first lecture and it is meant for all classes. ICOM Part 1, Part 2, ICS Part 1, Part 2, DCOM Part 1, Part 2, BCOM Part 1, Part 2. This lecture is related with the very basics of English language. It is parts of speech. Parts of speech are defined as words are divided into different kinds or classes according to the purpose that they are used for. These different kinds of words are called parts of speech. You write English, you read English, and you speak English. All the words you make use of in your speech will be termed parts of speech. If you consult the dictionary, there you find a word and the dictionary will give you many of its parts of speech. Dictionary will tell you this word is a noun, or this word is an adjective, this word is an adverb, or this word is a preposition, and so on. So each word is a part of speech, with the exception of a very few words, and those words now come up in mind as articles. Otherwise, all the words are parts of speech used in English language. The first part of speech is in grammar is termed as noun. Noun is the name of a person, a place, or a thing. Noun is the name of a person. For example, Khalid, Aslam, Ibrahim, Abdurrahman, Abdullah, and so on. The names of all the persons you have read, you come across, or you hear will be termed from grammatical point of view as nouns. Similarly, the names of all places will be termed as nouns. We have here referred to an example of Lahore. There are many other places or cities: Lahore, Multan, Bahawalpur, Gujarat, Islamabad, Karachi, and so on. There are a number of cities in other countries of the world. The names of all those cities will be termed as nouns from grammatical point of view. There are a number of things which you use and see and come across in your life, whether it is a book, whether it is a pen, whether it is a whiteboard you write on, whether it is your exercise book, whether it is your chair or your home appliances or the motorcycle you come by, or many other things. The names of all those things will be termed as nouns in grammar, English grammar. There are 5 kinds of nouns. The first kind of noun is proper noun. A proper noun is a noun that denotes one particular person or thing as distinct from every other. For example, Ibrahim is a particular, the name Ibrahim is used for a particular person. So Aslam, the name Aslam is used for a particular person. All other persons have other names. Abdurrahman, the name Abdurrahman, proper noun, is used for a particular person, and the other persons are called by other names. Similarly, the proper noun Multan is used for a particular place, a particular city. The noun Lahore is used for a particular place, a particular city, and so on. The names of all persons used for particular persons. The names of all places used for particular places and particular cities are termed proper nouns in English grammar. The name of our country is Pakistan. Similarly, there are a number of other countries in the world which have their particular names. For example, Iran, Iraq, France, Germany, America, and so on. There are a number of countries which have their particular names to be identified and to be known. All these names of persons, all these names of places, all these names of countries are termed proper nouns in English grammar. The second kind of noun is common noun. A common noun is a noun that denotes a general person or a general person, a common person or thing. For example, man, the noun man is used for all persons. The noun city is used for all cities. The noun country is used for all countries of the world. Similarly, the noun book is used for all types of books. The noun pen is used for all types of pens to write with. These are common nouns and give a common view or general idea about a thing. Thirdly, the third kind of noun is collective noun. A collective noun is a noun that denotes a group, collection, or multitude of similar things considered as one complete whole. For example, army. Army is a collective noun and used for a force. There are a number of soldiers in army, but one word collective noun army is used for all those soldiers and forces. The word flock is used for a group of animals at a place. The word police is used for a number of policemen. It denotes a force. The noun class is used for a number of students or a group of students. The noun party is used for a larger number of people who join it. Similarly, there are many other collective nouns. Army, for example, all the forces, army, navy, air force, police, and many other forces. There are many other departments where a larger number of people serve, but one collective noun is used for those people and that department to signify them. The fourth kind of noun is material noun. A material noun is a noun that, excuse me, a material noun is a noun that denotes matter, substance, of which things are made. For example, water. Now, the form of water is liquid. So, almost liquids will be included in material noun. Milk is also in form of liquid. So, liquids will be included in material nouns. Silver, it is a metal, and all metals will be included in material. The names of all metals will be included in material nouns. Similarly, gold, it is also metal. So all the names of all metals will be included in material nouns. Similarly, water, milk are the names of liquids will be termed from grammatical point of view as material nouns. Cotton, it is a crop. Wheat, it is a crop. So the names of grains are these crops will also be included in material nouns. The fifth kind of noun is abstract noun. Abstract means something which can be felt, something which can be thought. An abstract noun is a noun that denotes some quality, a state, or an action. For example, regarding quality, there is clearness, while darkness, some clearness, darkness, height, color. The qualities of all things are the qualities The names of qualities, the names of qualities of all things are the names of qualities will be termed abstract nouns from grammatical point of view. The traits of things and even of people will be termed from grammatical point of view as abstract nouns. For example, poverty, so richness, manhood, childhood, old age, all these nouns will be termed abstract nouns from grammatical point of view, youth, and so on. The names of states will be termed abstract nouns from grammatical point of view. Thirdly, there are actions. Laughter, well, similarly, crying, movement, revenge. The names used for expressing our feelings, for example, joy, sadness, excitement, anger, confusion, indecisiveness, frustration. All these nouns will be termed abstract nouns from grammatical point of view in English language. While reading these nouns, or while reading nouns as the first part of speech, you should keep in your minds that noun is the name of a place, or a noun is the name of a person, a place, or a thing. While keeping this definition in your mind and having a clear idea of what noun is, you can try to understand the grammatical identity of words used in English language. Understanding them needs work, and really hard work. Your honest and sincere labor to understand and to express something. You are invited, if there is any confusion or if there is anything ununderstandable to you, to ask questions about it. Thank you. God bless you.